9:30 in the morning. I woke up late because we and my husband sleep late. We watch movies. So today I'm doing my laundry early in the morning. Laundry first para mamayang hapon wala nang gagawin kasi we're going out this afternoon. So, ayan, 9:30 na make up. I will wait 49 minutes to finish this laundry. Look what I got. Coffee time. Cover. Yeah. And now I am cooking. I'm doing my laundry. I'm having egg and ham only for this morning. It's me again. Kagi. Yeah, day off naming dalawa ni baby. And we're going to Philippine Consulate to process some documents for my baby.
Nag-request pa ka lang.
Jaywalking. Yan, jaywalking. Pasaway. Iniwan ako. Jaywalking. Ha? Malapit namin sa Philippine Consulate. Paprocess namin yung mga documents para sa passport ng baby namin para makapunta na siya dito to visit us. So dyan, busy, muni-muni. Dito yung Philippine Consulate. 15, 14 floor. 14th floor. Hello, tapos na kaming mag-process ng papers.
Kaya sasali ka sa Lucky Draw.
Sana manalo ako sa Lucky Draw para ano ko tong car na to.
Can try.
Can I try?
Yes, please.
Hi, we're now here at the New Yonghan food court. We're going to eat again.
Ayun, sir.
Hello po! Nandito kami ngayon sa food court ng Mayawan at food trip na naman. Ang daming risito kasi ano? This is what we order. This is fish and this is chicken. Hi everyone! Nandito na kami sa bahay. Kakauwi lang namin and super pagod. As in. No, kasi naglakad lang kami. And then, inasikaso namin lahat. Yung remittance, pagpadala sa Pinas, sa baby. And then, inasikaso din namin yung about dun sa affidavit and a power of attorney for the documents, for the passport of my baby. Then, ano pa ba? Sa SSS. Yan. Kasi kukontinue na namin yung SSS. Both me and my hubby. And then, what else? Renewal of my passport. Kasi mag-change passport ako. Natapos din namin yun. And then, what else? Nakapunta rin kami sa bank. China Bank here. I think Typhoon Bank is that is kasi we're planning because we're buying online and then we don't have yet a credit card kaya kailangan namin mag-bank to bank transfer kasi hindi pa namin alam ko approve yung in-apply namin credit card. And then what else nakapunta rin ako sa Sasa Hall, Mayawan Hall. Mayawan Hall is the mall here in one of the mall here in Macau. And then nakabili din ako sa Nike outlet ng shirt. What else? I think that's it. So thank you for watching. Until my next video. Bye.